Question 18. The phlegm cells are used for excretion in A, the fluke, B, nematode, C, bacteria, D, volvox. Now, how do we answer this particular question? We need to understand the different groups of invertebrates in terms of their excretory structures. And like I usually say, it is not compulsory that you remember everything, especially when you are doing OBJ or multiple choice questions. The most important thing is you know enough to be able to answer the question. Now, looking at the options in front of me here, I have the fluke. The fluke belongs to the group Platy, helminth, the word platy actually means flat, and helminth, worms. So the platyhelminths are actually flat worms. Nematode obviously belongs to the group Nematoda, and these are cylindrical with pointed ends. Bacteria could be spherical, it could be rod-shaped, and then we have volvox, which is also made up of unicellular organisms that exist in colonies. Now, when we talk about the phlegm cells are actually unique to the flatworms. If we look at B, C, and D, for the nematodes actually use an excretory cell called the rennet cell, or the rennet organ. Bacteria naturally would use its cell surface to excrete. Volvox would equally do the same, being a unicellular organism. So our best answer here is the fluke, because fluke actually is an example of flatworms. Just in case you may not remember the other examples, apart from the fluke, we also have things like the planarians. And then the most common one that everybody knows about, tapeworm. So whether we are talking about tapeworm or the planarians or the liver fluke or even the blood fluke, all of them are flatworms and usually would use the phlegm cell as an excretory structure. Our answer, once again, is option A.